were saying?
Nothing.
Good job.
Well, you just know that I can't reach them ones.
Sure you can. That's what the ladder's for.
I can't reach. Yeah, you don't want to do that. I'll miss it altogether. And yes, I'm trying to do it on an angle.
Why you nail at an angle?
You told me to.
Why would I do
Something
that?
about the rain, I don't know.
Something with the rain?
I know, two hands.
That's the two-handed underhand, is it?
Yeah, I got one more to do.
Yeah, at least.
No, I got a whole mitt full, but I only got one more to do. I can't go that way.
Don't hit the container.
Well, you better finish it then.
Oh, she moves around a lot. Oh, Jesus. Well, she didn't hit the container.
Oh, one more.
Two there, one there, two there, one
Those are
there.
yours. It's too high.
Wait till you do the next row. Smaller hammer might help her. Good
Oh,
job.
there's two more there.
Yeah, keep going.
I gotta do
Lots of
one.
nails.
You do them one.
Back to work.
No, stop. Give me the